Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Malka and today I'm so excited to share with you my unique take on the hot chocolate bomb phenomenon with my donut-shaped hot chocolate bomb. I will share with you 4 unique techniques depending on what kind of chocolate you're using, whether tempered chocolate, chocolate melt, or chocolate chips, as well as tips and tricks on how to glaze and decorate your donut-shaped hot chocolate bomb. And if you like this kind of content all about simplifying yet leading a more meaningful life, please consider subscribing. So let's jump into it. Our first method will be the tempered chocolate method. The complete step-by-step will be in the description box below. You will have to break your chocolate, melt it, keep it at a certain temperature around 110 Fahrenheit, add more chocolate, and then you're going to be ready to pour it into your mold. It's important to focus on the centerpiece of your donut mold, and if you have areas where you don't have any chocolate, just take your time, put it, and once that it's done, you're going to flip and take out the excess of chocolate. Don't worry, you're not going to lose it. Let it dry and you can remelt it again for later use. Put your silicone mold in the fridge for about 5 minutes and then you should be able to unmold it very easily. I love this mold because it's a bit textured and it really looks like a donut. You are going to melt the edges of your donut-shaped hot cocoa bomb to make sure that it is even. Fill your half donut-shaped hot cocoa bomb with goodies. You can use cocoa powder, marshmallows. You can also add some chocolate chips, some colored sprinkles, and crushed caramel. Melt the second half of your hot cocoa bomb donut and glue them together. Don't worry if you have holes, just take a piping bag and fill out the gaps. The second method will be with the chocolate chips. This method will require for you to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil with your chocolate chips to make sure that the chocolate will be smooth to coat the mold. In this case, I have used some crushed candies as well as some mint marshmallows, some cappuccino and some coffee mix to make it more special. And then you will fill the mold with what you prefer. Perhaps some chocolate chips, some vanilla pudding to make the hot chocolate scrumptious, with perhaps Viennese crunch, which makes it so special. You will melt the top part, then glue the top and the lower section together. In this third method, we will be using chocolate melts, which is by far the easiest method. After melting the chocolate melts, you will put it in your mold and you will even the edges for them to fit together when you will later assemble them. These hot cocoa bombs are children friendly, hence there will be no hot chocolate bombs with coffee for them. Add some chocolate chips covered with candy, as well as star sprinkles, caramel chocolate chips, and some hot cocoa, and of course with marshmallows. By now you know the drill. Melt the top part of your hot chocolate cocoa bomb and then place them together. If you have extra chocolate oozing by the side of your hot chocolate bomb, simply pass your finger and it will make an amazing seal. The last method will be with the chocolate melts and chocolate chips method. When you don't have enough of either to make a batch of hot chocolate bombs, it is what you're going to use, as many or as little as you want. You will add some oil, of course, to make the chocolate smooth. These hot cocoa bombs will have some coffee and some Lotus Biscoff crunch, as well as some chili and spiced cocoa, which is really amazing. Add everything you desire, and at this point you are so good and you know the drill. Melt the edges and glue the top part of your hot cocoa bomb with the lower part and seal it. You now have 4 kinds of flavored donut-shaped hot cocoa bombs. You will now be able to glaze and decorate your hot cocoa bombs. It is very important that the melted chocolate that you will use for the glaze be at room temperature. If it is too hot, it will melt your hot chocolate bomb-shaped donut. Dip your donut-shaped hot chocolate bomb and remove the excess by letting it drip and then shake it a little. You're now ready to decorate your donut. You can simply add some sprinkles if you want. If you only use glaze on your hot chocolate bombs with no extra decorations, you can see that some little bubbles can form on the top of the glaze. Take a toothpick or small stick and pierce them, then shake the donut and the surface will be smooth again. To up your game in the donut decoration department, take a piping bag, make small circles on the surface of your glaze, then take a toothpick, drag it gently, and it will create beautiful hearts. You can also create a marble glaze by putting a bit of chocolate in your white melted chocolate, swirl it a bit, then create some wave, dip your donut, and you will have this beautiful marble look. Here are some other ideas on how you can decorate your donut-shaped hot cocoa bomb. And of course, any good hot chocolate bomb video cannot be complete without the final shot of the bomb exploding. I hope that this video was useful for you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We do upload new content every week. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.